I'm reviewing a hot air brush or a hot blow dryer brush. So this is like a straightening and drying brush. Let's pull it out and see what's all in here. So this is what the brush looks like. Oops. So this kind of looks like what a lot of them look like. So it's easy to hold, has a nice grip. It has 3 settings on here: low, medium, high, and off. So 4 settings, but 3 levels of heat. You can see the bristles. It has like the 2 kinds on the side, on all over, or, yeah, all over. Or no, just on the sides it has those other bristles. So you can see that. I think you can use this to help like turn. I'll have to make sure it doesn't get hot. Nice thick cable. It's very lightweight. They do supply 2 clips, so you can use that while you're trying to keep your hair up. And then it looks like a cute little rake. I wonder if this is to help get the hair out, maybe. So yeah, so I'm going to blow dry my hair. Okay, and I'm just gonna brush my hair first because it has been really tangly lately since getting pregnant. I'm gonna clip it up. So it's on off. It's like really lightweight. I've held my other ones before and they were a lot heavier. Okay. So there's low. Middle. Oh, that's actually like quieter. A lot warmer. High. Okay, so that's interesting. The low and the high sound about the same, and then the middle, it's not as loud, but it is warmer. But it's not like, it doesn't seem as it doesn't seem more powerful than the low. So I don't know, it's kind of interesting. I think I'm just gonna go straight for it on high and see how it works. So there's my first layer. It's very smooth. Yeah, not much frizz. It's very, very smooth. Okay. There it is, all dry. Got a nice bounce. Blow out some shine. Run my brush through it. So there you go, you see it in action. So there you go. So you can get rid of your blow dryer and your straightener and just get your blow dryer brush.